At St. Luke's, we believe communication is vital to quality healthcare, between doctor and patient, between families and their care team, and between patients and their loved ones. And now, when in-person interactions aren't possible, St. Luke's wants to be sure these connections can still be made. To help, St. Luke's is using Cisco Webex meeting technology. Webex is an online meeting tool that allows two-way communication using video and audio on a smartphone, tablet, or computer. In this video, we'll walk you through how to download the Cisco Webex Meetings application and how to start a Webex meeting.
Let's get started. When it's time to join a Webex meeting, click the button or link in the meeting invite. If this is your first time joining a Webex meeting, you may be prompted to install the Cisco Webex Meeting desktop app. Click the installation file. If prompted, enter your name and email, then click Next. Before you join a meeting, you see a preview window where you are asked to connect your audio and video so everyone will be able to see and hear you. Depending on the meeting type, you can choose different ways to connect audio and video. Select the audio connection type you want to use. Click Settings to select the speaker, microphone, and camera that you want to use. If your computer has a camera, check your preview before you join. If you don't want to use your camera, click Turn off my video. You can also click the Mute button to mute yourself. When you are ready, click the Join button to connect to the meeting. Once you are in the meeting, hover over the controls at the bottom of your screen to see everything that you can do. You can mute your audio, start and stop your video, and share your screen or other content. You can open the Participants panel to see who has joined the meeting. And in the Chat panel, you can chat with other participants. Click the More Options button to see more meeting controls, such as your audio connection, speaker, microphone, and camera settings. When the meeting is over, click the Leave Meeting button.
That's it! You're now able to connect using Webex. If you have any questions or need a bit of extra help, you can call 844-446-5479. Thank you for your time and for trusting St. Luke's with your care.